Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with a little card. I will zoom in a bit, I hope. Come on. Oh, I have to do it that way. A few years ago, or last year, I'm not sure anymore which year, but I made slime. I'd love to make slime. And I made a card with it. This card. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the slime. That, and here, over here. And some black slime. This is paint, orange paint, and the red, brown, reddish one. It's slime too. I put that on a card. I embossed the card. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it a bit. You see the little circles here and there and there. Well, that's the card I made. I love the card. I made another one too. I showed you before, I guess. Where is it? With the big spider on it. And another one. Where is it? I have to look for it, sorry. No, not this one. Where is the card? There it is. I made that one too at the same time. This card with slime too. I like it very much because, well, you have, this is slime, this is slime. You have lots of texture. You can't, maybe you can't see it well if you don't, if you forget the spider. Well, that's texture too, and that makes it high. But I don't know if you can see it. But it's on top of it, so it's very much texture. I like this card too. It's a real Halloween card. And I glued it in my journal, but well, I have a spider on top. I have this ATC in it, and well, when I put the card in it, it's going to be too bulky. And I don't want to remove the spider, so I'm not sure what to do with it. I could glue this card in the journal, but I don't like it this way. I don't know what to do with it. So maybe I could make ATCs of it. I could make a few, I guess. I don't know how big is an ATC. 3 by 3. This is not 6, so 4 by 5.5. So I can't make. Can make 2 ATCs of it, but I can make coins with it too. So if I punch it out that way and that way, I can make 2 coins with it. And I think I'm going to like that. I think I'm going to do that. Shall I? Oh my god. Shall I? Yes. Oh! That's one. And that's 2. Yippee! Now I can make 2 coins with it. Well, I like them this way already, when I'm honest. And I could glue them in the still I could glue them still in the journal. And there is a challenge on Facebook. Maybe I could use. There are lots of challenges on Facebook, but maybe I could use those coins or those circles with some other project. Well, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to think what I'm going to do. I cut them out, so I punched them out, so I can't go back anymore. I can use this too somewhere. I will think about it, and when I know what to do with them, I'll be back. So I'm back, and I decided that I want to do the challenge on Facebook of Nina Ribina's art journal prompts and more. And her prompt for this week, week 5, is texture with white space. So, well, this is textured, and I love white space, so I think I'm going to do that. No, I don't think it, I'm going to do that. So, let's start. Well, I'm going to make a journal page for this Halloween journal, so it will be something Halloweenish. But I'm going to make it on a loose piece of paper. So I will cut it in the right size, and then I will start. So I cut a piece of paper, mixed media paper. This one, Paint On. I love that paper, and I'm going to use that. I know it's white on white, so I will use a cutting mat. Not this side, because I don't like all those things. They are wonky on the screen. So I'm going to use this one, the other side. I will start with some homemade washi tape. I think I'm going to use the black one. Scissors. Here. Now I could tear it. So that's all of it. And I can tear it this way. Like so. And a small piece like so. What shall I do? What shall I do? Yeah, I'm going to do it this way. I hope it's straight. Like this, and I can bend that over. So. That's washi tape. Now I can use some lace, I think. Should I use some lace? Here is my lace, and here is some stuff. And some yarn. And this lace is nice. Ooh, it's very thick. It's very thick. Don't know if I'm going to use that. I don't think so. I have a few little pieces of this. I think I'm going to like this. Shall I do one or two? One or two circles. I think I'm going to use one. Yeah, I think I'm going to use one circle. Like so. Like so, I guess. Well, I'm not sure if I do much more, when I'm honest. I think that's enough. It's textured. Maybe I could glue some yarn around. Could do that. Can try it. To glue some yarn around the coin or circle. Just try it. Oh, not too much honey. Well, I like that. So, maybe the background with some watercolor or some doodles. Some doodles. Yeah. It's silly, but I like it this way. You can't help me, guys. Or should I ask you what to do with it? And not go further with it? I think I just glue it on and then we'll see. And I will glue it on this way. This way. So, like so. Bit this way. Well, that should hold. That's enough. I like it this way. I don't know why. It could have something. Well, I will ask you if you think that I should do some more things. Please write the suggestions in the comments below the video or on Facebook, because I think I'm going to put it on Facebook too. This is it. And if I should do something more, well, I will hear it from you. Thank you for watching. Bye.